Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Epic Educate. It is an educational channel. Subscribe and support this channel. In this channel, science and mathematics videos are available. Today, we solve angle related sum. These sums are very important for TET, CTET, this type. Okay. Consider value of x plus y in given figure is there. See, one figure is there. We find out the value of x plus y. X and y are the two angles, opposite angles. We find out the value of x plus y. Already we know that this angle is 50 degree. How can we find out the value of x plus y? First we find x or y, value of x or y using this value. Consider this one, this is a straight angle. The value of this one is 180 degree. So the sum of these two angles is 180 degree. So we write 50 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to 180 degree minus 50 degree. Subtract these two, we get the value of x. The value of x is 130 degree. This time, the value of y is also 130 degree. Y is equal to 130 degree because x is equal to y. These two are opposite angles. Opposite angles. So these two are same. X is 130 degree. Y is also 130 degree. It is the one of the property of angles. Opposite angles are same. Okay. Next we find out the value of x plus y. Already we know that value of x is 130 degree, value of y is 130 degree. So x plus y is equal to 130 degree plus 130 degree is equal to what? 260 degree. So the value of x plus y is what? 260 degree. Understood?